Namaste, dos amigos. I am filming with my iPhone tonight. I don't film often at nighttime because I usually use my GoPro during the day, and my GoPro does not do well at night. So I'm gonna have to speak louder as well because it is busy. Nighttime here in Hyderabad gets very busy. And so I am going to go to my go-to guy to get fresh coconut water and see if he's there. If he's not there, I'll go somewhere else. But yeah, so I decided just to film a bit of nighttime here and show you a bit of the food stands as well. So hopefully you hear me. I'm not gonna scream either, but yeah, see how this goes. So because it is winter here in India, there's a lot less food stalls because it is chilly at nighttime for the locals. So either they have their stalls during the day, but at nighttime they close up. Not all of them, of course, but you'll see a few. And for me as a Canadian, this weather is perfect. It's like 22, 23, but I understand that the locals do find it cold. Just the way it goes. Everyone's selling chai and cookies here. Yeah, you'll hear a lot of that. These guys doing fried eggs and egg sandwiches. This guy's good. Chicken, good fish, and then he deep fries it, and it's absolutely delicious and spicy, of course, and very good prices as well. Look at that. That guy is doing a paratha right there. Is that? Hello, how are you? Good, good, good. Paratha right over there. Yeah. Super luxury bus. Interesting. Alright, comes from my coconut guy. So here's the bottle I'm gonna get. That's 130 rupees. I give him a tip. And it's about 800 milliliters, I think. And so worth it. How are you? Good, good. One bottle. And it'll last me a couple days. I take it before the gym and come on, Mother Nature's water. You can't get better than that. Better than Gatorade, Powerade, all that garbage. It is garbage, trust me. Let's see how many coconuts it takes to fill up this bottle. How are you? Good? Okay, so that's one. Oh, that was good. That's a good amount. Usually it takes about 3 to 4 coconuts. All depends how much water there is in one, which obviously we don't know in advance. But yeah, just one. It took about almost halfway up there. Good. Always give a tip to these guys. These guys work hard, man. They're here all day, all night. Well, I think you probably close around 10, 11. Not just yet. Here you go, making it last. Perfect. So I also get the meat of the coconut. That's absolutely delicious. And unfortunately, not a lot of people do, but I request it. So yeah, so here's my bottle. He's gonna give me the malai, the meat of the coconut right now. Perfect, Hyderabad. Perfect. You have change? Change?
Yeah. Today is my last working day, sir.
Today's your last day?
The last one is coming through.
Well, thank you for your help.
Yeah,
I remember, obviously, the owner is coming back tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
And what's your name?
Somesh.
Somesh?
Yeah.
Mera naam Morris.
Morris.
Nice to meet you. Perfect.
Thank you.
Just give me 50.
Okay.
TK. Thank you so much. Thank you for your help. Always fascinates me, man. People crossing the streets, especially at nighttime. With so much traffic. Wow. Here's a Galleria Mall. It's a really nice modern mall here in Hyderabad. There's a whole bunch, obviously, but there's a lot of stores, restaurants as well, including Taco Bell and KFC. Imagine that. Obviously, I won't eat there, but yeah, nice mall here. Modern Hyderabad. Here's the entrance to the subway. As I mentioned the other time, super convenient. Very blessed about that. It's been open for, I think, a couple years now. Not exactly sure. And I apologize if this video is shaking a bit. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not using my GoPro. And so, given that, the iPhone video might change. On the streets. Mentioned in my last video, Capital Hotel. It's not a hotel, it's a restaurant, but here in India they call hotels restaurants. So you'll see that often. And this place is very popular. People during the day, night. Guys, thanks for watching my short video of my coconut quest. I got coconut water for the next few days. And like I say this all the time on my videos, the best is yet to come. More videos of Hyderabad coming soon. Oh jeez, look at this. Nice smoke, that's all I need. Oh God. Hell. Yeah.